You are watching UNICEF television. The fourth round of the Multiple Indicator Cluster Surveys, MIX, began its rollout globally in 2009, and our country is one of the 59 countries around the globe that collected invaluable data on the situation of children and women. MIX was developed by UNICEF in the mid-1990s, and since then has supported governments in interested countries to conduct the study and produce statistically sound, internationally comparable data across a range of indicators, including health, education and child protection. Mixed data are collected in face-to-face interviews in nationally representative samples of households. We followed a group of trained interviewers who visited 5,500 randomly selected households in all regions in our country.
Good afternoon, we're from Ipsos. In cooperation with UNICEF, we are rolling out a multiple indicator cluster survey. We are here to complete a survey questionnaire on your family related to health and education of mothers and children.
Through MIX, the country has been able to collect data on a large range of topics critical to human development. The economic status of the household.
How many rooms does your family use for sleeping?
2 rooms, the bedroom and the living room.
Measurements to determine the health and nutritional status of children.
Theodora is exactly 98 centimeters tall, and Tanella is 9 kilos and 200 grams.
And more. In some areas, like child disabilities, methods used to discipline children, and early childhood development, MIX collects data not available by any other source in the country. The result is one of the world's largest sources of statistical information on children and women, disaggregated by various geographic, social and demographic characteristics.
You need to look at the situation by economic quintile, by ethnicity, by region, to understand really where the problems are, what efforts need to be done to concentrate results and concentrate activities on those groups of children who are particularly vulnerable, to understand what's working and what's not working, and to ensure that you can compare information from year to year.
MIX is a major source of disaggregated data for tracking progress towards international commitments for children, as well as a source to identify emerging issues. Protecting children's rights, nurturing their development, and addressing issues of equity requires action that is guided by trustworthy and quality information. MIX provides governments with the information they need to meet these goals. This is Dushko Arsovski reporting for UNICEF Television. For more information, go to unicef.org, Unite for Children.